Alright, YouTubers, here we go again. It is Monday the 30th, last day of the month, and a special unboxing coming today from my good friends over at Flava. It is from, what is this? I can't pronounce it. Boomnia? But I googled it, or Sylvania. I googled it, but it looks a really nice place to live, definitely. Sylvania. There we go. Just came in the mail today, so thank you guys. This is a new subscription for us adults, 21 and up. Boom. Here we go. So definitely check them out. And try something new. Never thought this would happen, but it did. Where do I open this from? Very interesting. Ooh. Here we go. Drop you guys down. But hope everyone had a good day so far. Everybody had a good weekend, and everybody is safe. There we go. It's definitely Cinco de Mayo is Friday, I do believe. And now, well, my globe is rotating. Alright, I'm gonna have to cut it. C-section. Yeah. But this is definitely cool to get into. So I'm gonna try something new. Alright, like I said, 21 and up. Here we go. We got something. Flava. Angel Share. Angel in the future. Sweet. Like I said, really good company. World of Spirits. So I'm telling you. Sorry about that. Had a call on the end. Flavor.com. And now this is a new one that is launched. Tasting is believing. Yes, indeed. Pull up. Wait. Oh. Whoa. Check these out. Tequila. El Mayor. Oh. This is a nice size little shooter. Oh boy. I'm going to save this till Cinco de Mayo. Tasting is believing. And it's like a subscription box, I do believe, each month. And they got others, alcohol, beverages. Tasting is believing. This is cool. I like the, it's like the Russian roulette. Pick your poison. But yeah, tequila is definitely good. One of my favorites. Tasting is tequila, Fernando, Sierra, Millerino. I'm not sure how much proof this is. It says alcohol. Oh wow, 41.5%. Oh boy, this is a doozy. This will get you twisted. Look how clear that is. Oh man, I'm definitely saving it. All right. It's way too early right now. I mean, it is tempting, but I don't think I would be able to upload this video. This is nice. This one is... Oh, here's the dates at the back. Ah, come on, focus. Or maybe not the dates, but catch my drift. Come on, focus, stop. 4.5 or 45 milliliters. Got a nice little music note. What does this thing say? One does not resell the sample. Oh, whoa. This is a doozy. We got the 50%er. yeah, like I said, definitely thank you guys so for sending me this. And like I said, it's too early for me to drink. I know my limits, but YouTubers, check them out. This is 40. This is going to be a light one. This is like the starter to work your way up to these two. Al Mayer and Ho. Tasting is believing. Flavor. Definitely excited. Like I said, YouTubers, check them out. This is cool. Take a few shots before class, before work, you know. Get your little buzz on before you upload some videos if you can handle it. But this is right here, 50%er. Oh boy. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Sierra Malinero. Never heard of this kind. I'm used to like Patron, a few whatever they have at the bars. But Patron's my major one. I think that's about it. Quavo, I guess, but pretty much it's all Patron, and that's what gets me twisted. But these, I'm sure, we got the dark one. That's what kind I'm used to drinking, is the dark. And Patron, I would say it's mostly clear. This might be stronger than Patron. 41% for the Sierra. And then, like I said, for the that one, totally. I'm gonna smell it though. Promised a friend that we'll have these drinks together. So, but I don't think she'd mind if I open it up right now for you guys, because I'm curious. But yeah, like I said, it's way too early, and I gotta get these chilled. Oh my! Whoa. Wow! I wish you guys had smell vision. Holy smokes! Whoa! Now this one's an ill kill, guaranteed. If you drink this whole bottle by yourself, it'll do a doozy just by smelling it. Kind of like moonshine. Oh, come on, why won't you focus, man? Killing me, Smalls. This one, holy Toledo. Oh, that'll put some hair on your chest. I'm gonna seal that thing up, sure. But thank you guys over at Flavor. Great idea, awesome, awesome, awesome country you guys are from. Looks really nice. And YouTubers, check them out, please. Links are gonna be down below. And that's it for today. So, like I said, Cinco de Mayo this weekend. Party it up. Take Uber. If you guys need Uber codes, that's going to be down below also. That's it for today. So, happy Monday to all, and be safe. See ya.